Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin at the Wallet app. Add your Apple Card and verify identity so purchases can process. Once done, enable Face ID or Touch ID to authenticate quickly at checkout. This speeds transactions and prevents decline taps. Make sure your billing address and default payment settings are accurate. Incorrect details cause declines. You'll also want cellular or Wi-Fi active. Stores often require network verification. Start the payment flow immediately after adding the card, so you can confirm everything works before you need to buy. You now make the payment. Select your Apple Card and wallet and hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless reader. Authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. Once approved, the terminal receives an encrypted token, protecting your card number. If the terminal offers credit versus debit, choose credit to ensure the card processes properly and to capture any merchant-specific rewards like 3%. Make sure the cashier knows it's contactless if a terminal seems unresponsive, and watch for the green check on your device. You finish by verifying the transaction in Wallet. Open the card, confirm the merchant name and amount, and keep the receipt for records. If a tap fails, first retry authentication and make sure NFC is enabled. Once done, toggle airplane mode and reconnect to cellular or Wi-Fi, then try again. If the terminal still won't accept the card, use your physical titanium Apple Card as backup or ask the cashier for manual entry. Finally, contact Apple Card support through Wallet if charges, authorizations, or rewards don't match expectations.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.